back with their final video. CJ the PJ. The draft. Show you her final project. The project is kind of cool. Raph the draft. Say hi, Raph the draft. Outro of HLModTech. So this is Lil Bill. It's up the love. It's either CJ the PJ and Raph the draft. Signing out.
Hi, my name is Christian. I made Wario from Mario Kart, and also I made all of this, all of that, all of these, and that, those, and for the finale, Doodle and Blue Llama. And I'm currently working on Smash Ball from Smash Balls.
Hey guys, it's Colton, and these are my two awesome double barrel shotguns that I made over break. So over here we got the extra shotgun shells, and we got the two shells ejecting out of that one, and then this one's closed and ready to shoot.
Hey guys, it's HLModTech, it's me, Phoenix here. I'm going to show you my Planet Explode. This is all firework stuff. This. The red stuff's the TNT. That's fire. The bottom stuff is the second firework thing, which is this. And I'm gonna press play and light it up. Yeah, you could pretty much do anything with that. Alright, thanks guys.
My name's Alana, and I'm in terms of class, and this is part of my slides. I did a bunch of different things. Same though.
I've even watched the video. Ready? What is this? Is this not live?
And this is my favorite lessons. And then this is bibliography. And that's it. The last one. Say bye.
Guys, this is Colton with my awesome centrifugal force machine. This is my centrifugal force machine, and it has metal wheels so that the weight keeps it against the wall of this ring. And then when I play, it launches all the way around. And it never falls.
Hi guys, it's Joel, and I have another Finch video. This time, the Finch can move with these buttons or the arrow keys. If I press the forward button, the Finch would move forward. If I press the backward button, the Finch will move backward. I also use the arrow keys to make it go forward, backward, left, and right. You're watching, and we'll end with the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Bye! This is what I made.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and then white. I made that. I think it's really cool.
Hey guys, it's Colton for the last video of the semester. This is my awesome castle. In this castle, it's got the special rock walls. It's got the awesome towers. It's got pillars. And inside here, there's a little house for the king to live in.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan. Today I made this machine. You clone the ball from here. It pushes it out, goes down here. It picks it up, drops it down here, picks it up again, and then it goes down here.
Hey, we're gonna show you guys our Finches.
And then if I look at that, it's really nice. Yeah, and then do green. And look at that, the thing turned green.
Red,
And
gold,
then we do
silver,
gold, silver.
purple, light blue, and yellow.
Yeah.
All the colors of the rainbow.
Now we're going to Elisha. See, his is right now red. He's about to turn it to yellow.
So I call him Finchy, the red-nosed reindeer.
Exactly. And it can move. His Finch can move.
You would even say it. Close like an alley.
Guys, it's Leo and Diego, and today we're reenacting something from Stars the Finches. Okay, go, Tice.
I've been waiting for you, Obi-Wan. We meet again, at last. The circle is now complete. When I left you, I was but the learner, now I am the master. Lightsaber ignite noise whoosh whoosh bisk bask ching chong.
So guys, what we just did was we reenacted something from Star Wars with the Finches. We have one that's red and one that's blue. And when it ended, they both perfectly went. I think the blue actually went before. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. This I made red, yellow, green, blue, pink.
Hi, I'm Angel, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6R class, and this little finch can now speak. It's gonna say some. It's gonna do this one.
The Finches will be greeted like a gentleman and not as a toy.
Yep. So, and there's also this one. When I did that, Mr. Harmon, he liked it.
Mr. Harmon is the greatest teacher. He also makes cool things with his toys.
Yep. So that's what I like about these finches. And that's about it.
Hey guys, it's Zach, and I'm back with another video. Today, I made Frank. Also earlier today, I made a wrench.
Hi, this is Joel Cosgrove, and we're working on the finch. Right now, it's playing a rainbow. When I hit S, it stops. When I hit R, it turns red. G for green. Blue, B for blue, and there are a ton of different colors I put in there. All the colors of the rainbow. I also have a remote, which is my favorite part. And my two favorites of the remote are police, which makes it go blue and red. My other favorite part is hi, George.
Hello. I am George.
George says hi, and now he says bye.
Bye, kids.
Bye, everybody.
This is Lolo, my best friend. As you can see, she is right next to me. Hello, Lolo.
I know.
This is HLModTech, and it's me, Finches. This is my cat. He has a unibrow and a gigantic mustache, but there's no problem with that.
What's up, everybody? It's Orion Stone coming back at you with another video. Alright, anyways, he made the sweet watermelons on the screen, and this is awesome, man. He even got the detail with the purple streaks right there. That's...
Hey guys, it's HLModTech, and it's me, Finches. This is my maze. I put tracers on the end of it, so it's a lot harder, because if you move it a bunch, it's gonna make it so you can't really see. Yeah, but okay. Alright, thanks guys.
This is Cameron Hansen. I just got finished making my castle from HLModTech. And subscribe to HLModTech, like it, and turn on post notifications, and say hello.
Hi, I'm Angel, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6R class. And this little guy is now a police car, because I now have movement. So this is going to be a real police chase right here. And he's going to chase down some bad thief, but probably make me look.
Everyone, it's Riley, and I'm gonna show you some cool things I did with my Finch. I named him Albert, and I can change his color depending on which button I choose. But the real fun thing is when I ask him to tell me a joke. He says, knock, knock. I say, who is there?
Cargo.
Cargo. That's not how you spell cargo. Cargo. poop.
Cargo beep beep beep, and broom broom.
And
Haha, that was a funny joke, Riley.
I made it do all that stuff, and it can also say compliment.
You are perfect.
Thank you. And that is just the power of kindness through a Finch. He loves that, and that's how he turned green. Hi, thank you, Bella, for filming.
This is Phoenix again. This is my house. Yeah, I'm finished with it. It's a little messed up, but it's okay.
Everybody, it's Ryan Storm coming back at you with Scratch X this time. Today I'm here with Johnny, right here, and I have created a party bot code for the Finch. And let's see this Finch party. Hey, that's actually pretty cool, but I'm gonna see later on if I can make it like go a little bit faster. And I coded seconds in between each color so it would flicker like this. Please subscribe to HLModTech and like his videos, and as he says, let's get cracking.
This is my awesome house I made in SketchUp. As you can see, we've got some awesome windows, doors, and it's all painted.
It's HLModTech. It's me, Phoenix here. This is my guy. He's in the middle of the ocean on a raft, and he's waving for help because he sees a boat off far in the distance that I have not made yet.
My name is David. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6th-hour class. We've been creating these finches, and I created mine, which it has the red color, then it has the green color, then it has yellow, then it has pink, then it has white, then black. Black is just shutting it off, and then blue, and then light blue.
So I made this burger meal and with some fries and a drink and ketchup on the side. And I also made noodles because we had extra time to do other things. So I chose to make Tinkercad stuff.
It's HLModTech. It's me, Phoenix again. This is my turtle. His face is a little bit messed up, as you can see, but it's okay. I'm gonna add some texture to it later, but.
Hi everyone, this is Bella and I'm going to show you my Finch. Made a remote and it has red, change to yellow, you can go rainbow, and then random if you want to, and then you can make it speak. So it's going to say my name.
Hi, Bella.
It's going to say what's your name, and I'm going to say Bella.
Nice to meet you, Bella.
Or
What's up?
and this guy's name is Timmy. Also move. So it's gonna go forward. And it can also go backwards. It can turn right or it can turn left. Hi, and thanks Riley for filming.
Guys, it's Leo, and today we have the Finch again. And today I customed the background of my controller. And I have random, which is that, which everyone has. And then we have paragraph, which is...
I've been waiting for you, Obi-Wan. We meet again, at last. The circle is now complete. When I left you, I was but the learner, now I am the master. Lightsaber ignite noise, woolish, do or do not, there is no try.
This is HLModTech. This is my cash house. I was gonna make it out of a bunch of tiny ones, but it was kind of glitchy. It was kind of glitching a lot on it. So, and then it deleted it. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Zach, and I'm showing off my Finch. I made a remote to control the Finch. I made a ton of different buttons, 10 to control the Finch. Here's forward. Here's backward. Let's turn it right. Turn it left. Bye guys.
It's like me, Phoenix again. I made a video on my cereal box before, but I actually put it in a bowl and I made it actual cereal.
Oh, actual cereal?
I should make it.
That's so delicious. Oh. Stampy coming. Get it.
So
weather got you a little bit spunky? Arm muscle workout. Yes. Who's tougher?